मानो जरा मानो जरा इतनी बात हे दुखवे ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದರೂ ಕೇಳು. ನನಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ದುಃಖದ ಹಾಡೇ ಒಂದು ಮದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಸರಿ ಅಕ್ಕೈ, ನೀನು ದುಃಖ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಏನು ಹಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
ಅವಳು ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳಲು ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೋಕವುಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ದಾರಿಯುಂಟು, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೋಕವುಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ದಾರಿಯುಂಟು, ಒಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೋದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಆನಂದವೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಆನಂದವೇ.
I think this is a need of the crucial juncture that the Love Festival is going to happen on the 14th, 15th and 16th of February 2025. As sexual minorities, as gender minorities, as intersex people, we felt that there is a need to all of us to kind of merge together to celebrate our love, to celebrate our freedom, to celebrate our plurality, to celebrate our fraternity. I think under the banner of Love Festival, I think first time, that's Rumi Harish, who is a female-to-male transgender man, and Soumya, who is a male-to-female transgender woman, and Akkai, myself, born male identified as a female. We have come together to do this performance talking about the importance of politics of love, politics of the resistance that we will take against the hate politics that is happening. I think somewhere because of the crucial society's notion of excluding, divisive and so discriminatory, I think coming together to celebrate the issues of Love Festival, I think under this Love Festival we are going to have on the day one, we're celebrating Constitution and love.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅಪ್ಪಕ್ಕೆ ಸಲಬೇಡಿಂದ ರೇಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನೋವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Theatre playing a very vital and important role in this system of justice and society. I think coming together on the 15th, we are having this play at like Nirali, having this, the folk performance, be it, there's a Vandre Rangatanda's performance also happening, and also singing some love songs, some resistance songs, some, 20 poet and poetess coming together to reading the poem from the context of what is love means to them. I think this is one of the very unique event, I would say. I think the large, the grand, the event would be about the theatre. And theatre name is called Bikkatu. Bikkatu means crisis. I think how do we overcome, I would say. I think I do not want to reveal the entire story, but coming the importance of Bikkatu as three activists having 25 years of experience working in the sexual minorities movement. I think each one of us carrying such struggle, such challenge before society. I think society shall be disturbed with this performance. I think this disturbance will going to show us a way forward for all of us to come together and to seek what is that love exactly we are looking for.
ಒಬ್ಬಳೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಏನೋ ಗೀಚ್ತೀನಿ ರೂಮಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋದು. ರೂಮಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪದ್ಯಗಳು ಬೆಳೆದಳು ರೂಮಿ.
What? Is this true? What a lovely news. Hey, Jamla, I'm so happy for you, Soumya. Hey, Padya, please. So, Akkai, me and Soumya have been friends in this field of activism where we have been fighting for gender justice and for people from the different sexual orientations and things like that. And I'm also a community member. I was born female and then I transitioned to be male. My voice is transitioning now. After the voice transition, my voice is transitioning now. It is, and I'm a musician. I've been learning music for the last 40 years. I've learned from 8 gurus, and recently I learned from Pandit Rajiv Tarnath, who passed away and who happens to be an international artist. And I learned from him for some 10 months.
and this was regarding the voice, because my voice right now has shifted enough from a female voice to a male voice. And in this play we are using a lot of music, because both Akkai and I are musicians, and we used to sing earlier also together. So now also it is like a very important point that this play engages with music and poetry. ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ ಯಾರೂ ಇರದ ಜಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ, ಯಾರೂ ಇರದ ಜಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ. So the whole thing is around being us, ourselves 20 years ago, how fresh we were, and so on and so forth. Very interesting experiment, because we generally, it's very challenging that to do a role of your own. So instead of I doing Tipu Sultan, or I doing some Raja Maharaja, or I doing some other role, I'm trying to do my own role, which becomes very complicated and very challenging, because I'm not established. But here is the revolt coming, saying you don't have to be established to do your own role. Tomorrow, will somebody be able to do my role? I don't know. But yeah, they can do. And this is also like a mirror which shows our own selves to us, because I'm doing my own role.
ಜನರು ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮುದುಕರು ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಅನುಭವ ನಮಗೆ ರಂಗಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಅನುಭವ ಕೂಡ. 25 ವರ್ಷದ ಏನು ಒಡನಾಟ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು 3 ಜನದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ಲು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಜವಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಸ್ಟು, ನಟನೆ ನಮಗೆ ದೂರನೇ, ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ.
So actually, I wrote and narrated Rumi Harish's autobiography. In that way, so Rumi and I became friends in this journey. Then, so my theatre journey started from coordinating a play with Samadha and Mara organization for a bunch of youths. So in that way, so there I coordinated a play. But this actual idea came from Rumi, Akkai, and Soumya. So they asked me to devise a play, because they had they want to tell something through theatre as a medium. So this is a kind of a docudrama where 3 activists, Soumya is Soumya, Akkai is Akkai, and Rumi is Rumi in this play, and they share a great a sense of friendship and all the things. So they actually being activist for more than 20 years, they know queer history and present, and they have a great imagination for future, and also they all involved greatly with the crisis intervention. So with all this, they have some story to tell. So it's actually a devised play, but in that process I devised and then I wrote. I gave us some structure, and I'm also exploring a theatre direction for the first time. So we're all excited and having great fun in this journey. There is stigma, there is a fear, there is homophobia, there is queer phobia, and all those phobias are there in the people's mind. And also this play is very nuanced, and it's also self-introspecting. It's also kind of advocating for the queer rights and all those things. So it's a bundle of everything. So people will get some story, and then entertainment, and then everything, and also they get some sort of thought. So I think that's from there this journey starts with. I think it's a journey for both audience and the actors.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಏನಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬದುಕಿನ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಂಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಈಸಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಥರದ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಧರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನು ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಥರದ್ದು ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರದ್ದು ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಥರದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
क्या जाने जान के भी जाए जो भला मेरी जान Sari ma pa ni sari ni ni sari pa ma pa ni sari pa ma ni ni sa sugi sugi ni ni na ma si thi na ma aha tumi hakiyante nagabekama suvi suvi ni ni na ma ಸೀತೆ ನಮ್ಮ